Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to extend your RAM memory on Samsung Galaxy A series, and this will dive in faster app launches and an overall smoother user interface. So to do that, just go to settings and here go down, and we have battery and device care. Tap on it and here tap on memory. Now checking. And here we have RAM Plus. Now we have 4 gigabytes. Tap on this feature. And from here you can choose more virtual memory to allow more apps to stay open in the background. And also you can choose less virtual memory. But I want to choose more virtual memory, and to do this just select 6 gigabytes. And now you need to restart your phone. Just tap restart and wait for a few seconds. And now I'm back, and let's go to settings, and again battery and device care, memory, and here we have 6 gigabytes at RAM Plus. So as I told you in the beginning, now my apps will launch faster, and also will have a smoother user interface. So I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.